Over time, fewer consumers are paying with checks and cash, and more are paying with plastic. The mathematical model C equals negative 1.6n plus 53 describes the percentage of consumers C who paid primarily with checks and years after 1995. Let n equal 0, 5, 10, 15, and 20. Make a table of the values showing 5 solutions of the equation. These values will be used in the next question. So what we're going to do is make a table that shows 5 solutions of C equals negative 1.6n plus 53. So here we're going to start with n. We're going to have our equation C equals negative 1.6n plus 53. And our ordered pairs of n and c. So here we have n equals 0. So when n equals 0, c equals negative 1.6 times n, or 0, plus 53. So negative 1.6 times 0 plus 53 is 53. So we have a point of 0, 53. So now we're going to determine when n is 5. So here we have c equals negative 1.6 times n, or 5, plus 53. So negative 1.6 times 5 is negative 8, plus 53 is 45. So here we have a point of 5, 45. Now we're going to determine when n is 10, c equals negative 1.6 times n, or 10, plus 53. So negative 1.6 times 10 is 16, plus 53 is negative 16, plus 53 is 37. So we have a point of 10, 37. Now we're going to find our plot when n is 15. We have c equals negative 1.6 times n, or 15, plus 53. So now negative 1.6 times 15 is negative 24, plus 53 is 29. So we have n is 15 and c is 29. Now lastly, we're going to determine our point when n is 20. C equals negative 1.6 times n, or 20, plus 53. So negative 1.6 times 20 is negative 32, plus 53 is 21. So we have a point of 20, 21. So these are our 5 solutions of the equation.